It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Friday, the 4th of June. I'm James Spann. Pretty typical June weather for the next several days. Isolated showers possible today and tomorrow. The better coverage of scattered showers and storms over the weekend, most likely on Sunday. There's the upper air look as the day begins. We have just a weak flow aloft, some troughing north of the state. Things pretty quiet early this morning. That was the radar composite. Shortly before 5 o'clock, had a little bit of light rain around Fort Morgan. That's about it. Rain falling over parts of South Louisiana as the day begins. Temperatures are mostly in the 60s early this morning. We're expecting highs in the mid to upper 80s today. Very muggy conditions continue. We note there's a dense fog advisory for Jackson and DeKalb counties up in northeast Alabama and the eastern half of Tennessee. Otherwise, things pretty quiet. Got the main chance of severe weather today and tonight way up north, parts of Montana and North Dakota, which is what you expect in summer. Also a marginal risk on the Atlantic coast from near Savannah back up toward the coast of New Jersey. Tomorrow, again, the main threats way up north near the Canadian border. And day 3, which is Sunday, a couple of marginal risks well to the north and west. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. Bigger numbers a little west of the state. For most of Alabama, rain amounts between 1/2 and 1 inch. And again, we always caution you, these maps are pretty tough to draw in summer because of the scattered nature of the storms. Your number might vary. And the tropics and the Atlantic basin still very quiet this morning. Here's the GFS model fans, valid today at 4, the 06Z run. Got that weak upper low that's sitting over Texas. And for us, it'll be warm, muggy, partially sunny, and there might be a shower today, but probably not many. This is the high-res NAM, valid this evening at 6 o'clock. Most of the scattered showers over the southern part of the state. But again, there might be a few pop-up showers over North Alabama. This is tomorrow, pretty much the same deal. Warm, humid, highs mid to upper 80s. Partially sunny, and again, a few showers around. This run here a little more aggressive with moisture return tomorrow. Still, they'll be scattered, most locations dry, but again, you might catch a shower in the afternoon. You know the deal, it's summertime. And then Sunday, the moisture is deeper. So scattered showers and storms becoming more numerous. In fact, we're seeing evidence we might see some rain even Sunday morning. This is Sunday at 1 o'clock. So of the 2 days over the weekend, your drier day probably tomorrow, and then rain becoming more likely at times on Sunday. And then next week, we'll just stay in a very warm, humid air mass. Every day, the chance of showers and storms. This is Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Thursday, evidence the better chance could be over the northern counties. And then a week from today, Friday, June 11th, upper high centered west of the state, troughing over New England. And again, warm, humid, a few scattered showers and storms about. We'll go out 10 days. This is Sunday, June the 13th. That upper high persists a little west of the state. And once again, warm, humid, scattered showers and storms. We say that a lot around here this time of the year. Rain for Birmingham off the GFS ensemble. The mean between 2 and 3 inches between now and the 20th of June. Temperatures highs in the 80s and lows in the 60s through next week. And the CPC outlook, this is for June 11th through June the 17th. Temperatures pretty close to average if this all works out. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3 o'clock this afternoon. You can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless. Hey, this is James Spann. I think one of the best parts of my job, getting to do weather programs in schools. During regular times, I'm in a school once or twice a day, teaching students, mostly in elementary schools, things about weather and science. It's a really great part of my job. In fact, if I wasn't a television meteorologist, I would be a third grade science teacher. But one thing I've noticed over the years, some children, not all, but some, develop a genuine fear, a phobia of weather, especially thunderstorms and tornadoes. To offset that, I commissioned a couple of creative members of my family to write a series of children's books about weather. And the first one is out. Benny and Chipper, Be Prepared, Not Scared. Your kids will absolutely love Benny the Bear and his best pal, Chipper the Beagle Dog. It's a really good read about thunderstorms and tornadoes and how it's okay to be a little afraid, but you don't have to be really afraid. As long as you're prepared, you understand them, you know what to do, and you take care of yourself. Information is very powerful, and that starts a process of kids overcoming that fear. And this book is a really good read for any elementary school student. My friend Ginger Z of ABC News in New York, the chief meteorologist there, wrote a foreword here. Jeremy Davis, an illustrator, really makes Benny and Chipper come to life. It's a great read, and your kids will love it. I would encourage you to get a copy, and we'll have future books with Benny and Chipper about things like thunderstorms and the science behind them, tornadoes, and hurricanes. So get your copy today. Right now it's available online at Spann Book, with 2 N's, spannbook.com. And you'll see some other cool stuff there as well. Benny and Chipper, Prepared Not Scared. Get your kids a copy today.